Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide photos in Google Photos on Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. To hide photos, go to Google Photos and then choose a photo you want to hide. Then to hide it, click here on these three dots. Then go to Move to Locked Folder, Continue, Move, and now the photo is being moved. And now when you go to Collections, Locked, you can open the locked folder with your fingerprint, and then you can turn on backup or do not backup. And here is the locked folder. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.